Hi and welcome to Tips from the Hips, the best tips and hips on the internet. I'm fitting these European style hinges onto my door here, and I need to drill some holes, pilot holes for these screws, but the screws are almost as long as the door is thick, so I want to be really careful I don't drill all the way through. And to make sure I don't, I'll take a piece of masking tape. I'll wrap the masking tape around the drill bit so I've got fractionally less than the length of the screw exposed on the bit, and then if I just drill down until that flap hits the surface, I know I won't be all the way through. So it hasn't come through, and it should find I can drive my screw in. It'll hold really tight, but it won't be really difficult to get in there. Tips from the Hips, the best tips and hips on the internet. See you next time.